I've always admired those who just do it, and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up, and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid.
Nano ba po kabalan? Welcome to We're in Pampanga. So for today's vlog, makikijoin tayo with Cloudstaff sa kanilang year-end parties. Ano ba yung aabangan natin? Yung mga bands natin, meron tayong Lola Amor, yung mga Philharmonic, and syempre Ellie Buendia. At the same time, sa mga raffles naman, yung kanilang Mitsubishi Mirage for their grand prize. So we will enjoy and witness yung kanilang year-end party dito sa Philippine Arena. If you want to know more about them, and if you want to join them sa Cloudstaff and sa kanilang year-end party, sasamahan niyo ako sa tara, let's go!
Cloudstaff number 1!
Cloudstaff, we like to do only at Cloudstaff experiences. This is really about delivering an experience for our Cloudstaffers, and that's kind of really important to us. And there is nothing quite like the experience of being in a stadium with so many people. And we have a special today where I think we're doing one of the largest indoor karaoke events as well. We'll be getting all of the audience to get involved in singing songs, so it should be good fun. We're looking forward with the Philharmonic.
Oh, the people. By a long ways, the people. So I think one of the special things about Cloudstaff is the culture, the people, and just how we celebrate events like this. It's great. Cloudstaff number 1.
Triple 2,000 millimeters amphitheaters. You are very lucky because you have a brand new power bank. Yes! 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 Everybody taking home a brand new iPhone. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Let's have a photo, guys.
So it really is about Cloudstaff bringing world-class global roles here to the Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here we go. Let's give it up for the one and only Ellie Buendia.
To all the Cloudstaffers, thank you for a 2023. It was an amazing year. There was a lot of things we achieved. We opened new offices, we opened new countries, we opened an AI department, we expanded our university. There was just so much that we actually did. Thank you for your hard efforts. Enjoy today and get ready for a really exciting 2024.
That's it for Cloudstaff Roar 2023 dito sa my Philippine Arena. So congratulations Cloudstaff for the very successful event, and same time nag-enjoy kami. So anong masasabi mo, Miss Gara, sa ano?
Ay, sobrang enjoy. Nabusog din tayo kanina.
Yes.
So much fun, guys. Napakabait ng mga Cloudstaffers.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, until our next event, peace out.